good afternoon, Education Research 5332 students. I wanted to prepare a short video to share with you this week. I know it's Friday afternoon and you guys are wrapping up your work weeks. I have been visiting all of our student teachers and practicum students, so I've been traveling these last 2 weeks and we'll be traveling all next week. So I wanted to prepare a short video, and I will probably prepare another one on Monday to talk to you about your final assignments, and in this video your final assignment for Module 2, and then another video to kick off Module 3 that I'll post on over the weekend or probably maybe Monday. So this weekend I will be working to grade your Module 2 assignments that you have submitted. You now have a better sense, I hope, of your campus's needs due to your data analysis. So what you're going to do in your Module 2 Assignment 7 is you are now going to pull the needs assessment that you wrote and turned in this first time. That would have been the needs assessment that you've already worked on and posted. So that was your Module 2 Assignment 1, that taper report that you turned in. I want you to pull that now. I want you to look at all of the data that you have gathered, okay? And now I want you to go back and revise that report. You're going to go back and revise the report, and you're going to think of the top 3 student learning achievement priorities. You're going to prioritize. These are the top 3 student learning achievement priorities that we need to focus on as a campus. This doesn't, I don't want it to be your campus's improvement plan. This needs to be, you have more data. You probably have done more research than the current principal. It's very possible. Remember, the principal's test is changing. You are in a new cohort, and so our approach is really implementing that continuous improvement model. So you're going to look at all the data that you have collected. You've identified gaps now with all of this analysis that you've been submitting. You're going to go back to that report, that first report, and you're going to revise it. But this time you're going to support your statements with the data that you have found or not found. Maybe it wasn't available. And you are going to cite that in to support your prioritized, that priority. So what I'm wanting to see is a revamp of your needs assessment. And at the very first paragraph, I want to see bulleted. These are the top 3 student learning priorities. And then in the rest of the paper, I want to see for each priority data to support why that is a priority. Using all of the data that you, not just the data from the taper report, but all of the data that you have been looking for this last few weeks. So that is your Module 2 Assignment 7. I will try to find an example from over the summer to share with you. I don't think that Dr. Schlusser has posted one for us in this class, so I'll find one of my students' examples and then share that with you. Okay, I know many of you have already started working on this, but it doesn't hurt to go back and revamp it. So if you need me to clear something out and resubmit, please just email me and let me know, and I'll be happy to help you facilitate that. All right, have a great weekend, and I look forward to reading your new and improved student learning achievement prioritized needs in your new needs assessment.